Hey guys, sorry for all the lives tonight, but even though we were in surgery and had follow-ups, we have an AERIFY tonight. Just gonna let you guys join and get on so that we can do our favorite thing, AERIFY tonight. I actually need it because I'm breaking out a little bit. You guys see, I've been doing a lot of surgery lately. Hold on, I'm trying to pull something up. Hold on. Thanks for joining, guys. Hold on. So I'm so excited to have you guys. Good morning. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining. Hi. Hi, Alexa. Hi, Luciana. Hi, Sarah. Always email us if you want to be a model, which I would be so excited about to have some people join. I think it would be great. So we're going to do AERIFY tonight with Crystal Kwan. I'm so excited to have her because, hi Marvin, because she is one of our coordinators and she's new to EMERAGESKIN, and I'm really excited to have her. She's a good friend, and also she has a more sensitive skin type. So I'm really excited. I'm going to show you guys where you can get this. Hey Vegas, EMERAGESKIN.com. You guys can get any of our products there. Also, my Lucian code, take a look. Lip Essentials Kit gives you that beautiful plump. But look at this, from mask and from being in operating room all the time. So what are we going to talk about tonight? We're going to talk about EMERAGESKIN. Hey Singapore, hi Oren. I hope you guys are using this. I'm doing this every 2 weeks. Our foaming polish with jojoba extract and licorice root. It's an amazing cleanser. Everyone loves it. Our 2 active creams, High Spot Bright and Glow, which has in it peptides, it has in it growth factors, vitamin C. It's a non-bleach lightening cream. Oh my God. Salvador, look at this. Lucy & Co. It's amazing. Hi, Bobby. So make sure you guys are going to EMERAGECosmetics.com and supporting. Then we have Hyla A, which is our retinol, licorice root, and hyaluronic acid. It actually has in it, you guys, the hyaluronic acid that's in Hyla B. This is my favorite skin plumping ingredient. When my little pimples go away, it'll be amazing. Yes, Jennifer, I cannot wait to see those final lips. It's going to be amazing. I hope you're using EMERAGESKIN right now. In the High Spot cream, you guys, let me show you really quickly. In the High Spot, you can see here, it has in it the growth factors that are in my Refit Face and Eye. And so you're going to get a lot of anti-aging in there. But the key player here is the illuminating mask. And that's what Crystal's going to put on tonight. This has in it TCA, lactic acid, salicylic acid, retinol as a brightening and exfoliating agent. It also has in it vitamin C, kojic acid, arbutin, and niacinamide. This is amazing for rosacea, for acne. I'm going to put this on tonight so I can get rid of these few little pimples that I have from my maskne and from operating so much. I want to get Crystal on. So let me tell my team, hold on. And it is, hold on, let me see. It is an amazing product. I actually designed it originally. There we go. I requested her. I designed it originally to be used between facials and lasers and microneedling. It's something that you could do basically every couple weeks. Thank you so much, Latin Blend. There we go. She's requesting to come on. Crystal, coming on. And I made it so that you can have estheticians can use it. They can use it with their facials. Hey.
Hi.
What's going on?
It's so exciting.
I have a little bit of pimples and breaking out after surgery today, the past couple days.
Yeah.
But you look good as a good starting point. I'm really excited. Just so you guys know, just so you know, there's people from Brazil, the Philippines, Canada, Australia. Lindsey's on. They all want to know the cost. Always want to know the cost, which is at EMERAGECosmetics.com. The other thing I want to tell you guys about before we go to the AERIFY is the anti-age microneedling system. This is our at-home microneedle micro roller, 0.5 millimeter with my growth factor and stem cell ampules. These were actually designed for sensitive skin. It's anti-aging. You should do this every week at home. I sometimes do it twice a week, but you can use this right before AERIFY and get an even bigger result. Lindsey just did that with Enlighten Peel and got a huge result. What are you hoping to get out of using EMERAGESKIN?
Okay, so I'm starting to get these little sunspots here from driving, and I've tried every product from the department stores, and it's not working.
Whoa.
And then I
Oh
saw
my
your
God.
before and after pictures, and I'm like, I got to get me some AERIFY.
I would
And I have
love
to
that
prep
because
one here
here's
as
the thing.
well.
I originally made AERIFY so that people don't have to use bleach. I know I love using bleaching creams, and I think it's important even a few times a week, or even products that have in it kojic acid, vitamin C, retinol, that have something called TXA, which is tranexamic acid, and some other products for brightening of the skin. But AERIFY in the high spot has a lot of those ingredients. This is going to be your key player because you really want brightening. This is going to have in it my growth factors. It has in it vitamin C. It has blueberry, mulberry extract, green tea, which helps for the under eye area, and it has licorice root. The vitamin C that's in there is the same that's in my Aoxy, which is 20%. So you're getting a lot in that product, which if you were going to get anything, the high spot would be the main kind of go-to player over the next 2 weeks. You're going to do this every day, twice a day, but the illuminating mask is going to be your booster. This is something you'll do overnight, 8 to 10 hours. It's kind of annoying because you can get it on your clothing or on the bed. So some people do it in the morning and leave it on all day, or some people will put a towel or an airplane pillow on their neck and just sleep in it overnight. You can do this every week even. And I'm not sure what this person's asking. You can get it at emeragecosmetics.com. Yes, you can use the roller every week with shaving. What do you do currently in your regimen?
So I use a skincare line called Augustina's Butter, and it's a really simplified line. Yeah, it's a really simplified line. So I just do moisturizer, the face oil, and that's it. But prior to that,
this is really going to add a lot because so August Batter has like really potent growth factors, similar to what's in our Refit Face, but they don't have a lot of active sort of cell renewal turnover like what is in Nick Gare, funny. That's in this product line, which is going to be more medical, even though he's medical, more medical grade. So did you use the foaming polish?
Yes, I did.
And what do you think?
I'll tell you why I love it. I feel taut, but not tight. You know what I mean?
Everyone says that, and you know why? The marine extracts that are in it, which are called Sea Whip, actually tighten the skin instantly. And it's a foaming polish made of water, but it has an oil sort of base because it has jojoba extract. This is the cute little at-home 2-week. I actually tell people, order this and order the full size, and then you can pour this in if you're traveling for a travel size. People really like it. It actually brightens the skin on its own. It has licorice root in it. It has jojoba extract. It has another extract that tightens the skin, and the marine extracts that's very similar to what people like in La Mer actually help improve the quality of the skin even better, more medical grade. I want you to show everybody the mask and start putting it on while I'm telling them about the sunscreen. So there's the illuminating mask. It's either yellow or orange when it comes out. That's normal to be a variation in color. Hey guys. And yeah, you guys can come onto any of my Instagram pages anytime. The Fusion Shield is my amazing sunscreen that has in it vitamin C. Yeah, that's perfect. So basically put that entire thing on your face. You're going to leave it in overnight. I told you, Lauren, you need to try this. EMERAGECosmetics.com. The Fusion Shield is our amazing sunscreen. I'm obsessed with it. This is the full size. It is an amazing click. Listen, clicks right in. And the sunscreen, you guys, has vitamin C and a really good tint. I'll show you even on my pale skin. Look how amazing the vitamin C SPF BB cream goes on. This is amazing for camouflaging. This is amazing for sun protection, SPF 30. And you get anti-aging benefits from this that you can't get from everyday sunscreen. How does it feel when it's going on?
Okay, it's got a cooling feeling, but I mean, it's like never ending.
Oh, I know. And that's the thing, you guys. I know everyone thinks they can share this with friends. Don't share it, because we measured this out, and this is exactly what you need for one area. So if you want to do your neck, you're going to need to get another one. If you want to do your chest, you need to do another one. Basically, each kit does one area for 2 weeks. And don't be shy. Put the whole thing on.
Yeah, I'm putting it all on there.
It's not supposed to have a paint or anything. It's not a peel like we're talking about in the office. This helps to brighten the tone, turn the skin cells over. It just overall improves the complexion. You know, you're going to see brightening pretty much instantly, but with the products, you're going to get so much more.
I need my speckles to go away. Go away.
Yeah, and that will help. And then you can add other products to this, you guys. You can consult us with Lindsey or myself at EMERAGECosmetics.com. We can add other products like the Custom Dose. We can add Cosmelan 2. We can add some other bleaching if you really want a bleaching cream. There's so much that we could actually do to actually improve the outcome, even enhance it from what we're already doing. And vitamin C can be added, like my AOC. I like my Refit Face twice a day. Lindsey's obsessed with Cispera, which is a new amazing prescription product for melasma and pigmentation, which I think you definitely could add and make an enhanced outcome from. Make a consultation at EMERAGECosmetics.com. Now, I always tell people layer it. So keep putting that on and tell everybody what you're looking for, you know, to obtain besides the sunspots.
And then also, too, as I'm getting older, my skin isn't as bright as it used to be. I used to look like Snow White, and now I feel like my skin is dulling. So I need some brightening.
I know, and that's the thing, is that happens overall with age, but in general, though, you know, we always have to be turning the skin cells over to keep it clear. And that's why I made this, so it's something people could do every month or every 2 weeks. I know, keep it going. And don't forget this upper lip area. Okay. You know what I mean?
Okay. Okay, I think, oh my gosh, it's like a clown car. Hold on.
It keeps going. Okay. So the tube is really big, you guys. And again, like I said, in the kit comes a 2-week regimen. Everyone has been really satisfied with these 2 products, which will eventually come out in our full line. Our SPF, which everyone loves, is one of our #1 sellers, and our foaming polish. I like to add with this, I like my Lemonade and Detox and Glow Micro Peel from Nude Skin. Nude Sticks and Nude Skin. I literally use this every day as a micro peel, so you could do this additionally. And of course, I always double cleanse, so I use my enzyme polish. And so to get more out of it, if you have acne, blemishes, these beta and alpha hydroxy acids and papaya enzyme really help. Yeah, ask any questions, you guys. Ask any questions. So yeah, so that's really it. Show everybody what it looks like. Did you get it all on?
Yeah, it's totally empty. Totally empty.
You sure?
Yeah, I
squeeze as hard as you can. Sometimes extra comes out. Nothing?
Oy.
See, show them. See, I told you.
Oh my
you guys, there's a huge difference in ranges and prices, guys, because I have 300-something products on our Emerage Cosmetics. This is different than Obagi, and yes, this is something you can do more frequently. Our Nude Skin line has very inexpensive products. The Refit Face is a more expensive product because it's made of very fortified peptides and growth factors. The kit has a 2-week regimen, which gives you an at-home peel. So again, go to Emerage Cosmetics so you could do a free virtual consultation. We can go over all the products that we like. And then over the next 2 weeks, we want to see how Crystal does.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I'm excited. And you can still use your other products. There's nothing wrong with it. You can add the peptides on top. We can add in some vitamin C. We can add Phyto Plus, which is a kojic acid product. We just like to add a lot of things, sometimes to boost the renewal. This is something that can be added with other products or alone, you guys. And look at someone saying on here, brightened my skin and made me look so much younger. They're so excited about AERIFY for you.
Oh, I'm so excited too.
So I want you to take pictures every couple days, do a little testimonial later tonight, telling us what we're, you know, in for, what we're looking for. And then that's it. What do you want to say to everybody?
I can't wait for you guys to like start my journey with me and see the finished product. So I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Well, you'll see me throughout, but you'll see the finished product.
Wait. All right, keep us updated. Use EMERAGESKIN and let us know.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. You guys, that was such a good live. So that was an amazing live, you guys, with Crystal. I'm super excited. She has more sensitive skin tone. She has some hyperpigmentation. The goal is really to boost her skin. So let's see how she does. Continue her skincare. We're going to add more of mine, and we're going to get an amazing outcome. We can give you amazing skincare recommendations from EMERAGECosmetics.com. We also can add other products to your current regimen. Definitely consult with us, and we can help. So thanks again for joining AERIFY Live. I cannot wait to show you more results.